What is method overriding? Overriding in the sense to override something which is already present, right? The meaning of the overriding. Okay, suppose if A is there, then you want to override with B. What you're gonna do? So let us take an example, class animal public void display info. This is the method that I'm writing in the main class, that is in the that is in the parent class. Okay, system.out.println. Anything. This is the first method that I have in the parent class. Okay, I'll write a child class dog extends animal. Okay, I'll write one more method, public void display info. Same method that I had written on the system dot println. I'm a dog. So I'll write main method. What happens here if I use same method which is present on parent class and it is also present on the child class? What happens here? Which one it will print? If I create a child method, child object, what it will print? So I'm creating a child object, dog d1 is equal to new dog. d1 dot display info. What happens here? If I run this program, what will be the output? What will be the output?
It will throw an error like method overriding.
Why it will throw an error?
We use the same method in two classes.
Okay, let's see. Okay, so let me pin this program because that program is giving some errors. Can you able to resolve the errors that are coming? Have you copied that code which I have pinged it in the that I have pinged in the Skype? Come on, respond, man. Ajay, have you seen the videos, previous class videos?
Yes, sir. I have seen the inheritance classes.
Okay. Can you able to understand now this one, this program?
But I haven't tried the program, sir. I just watch the videos on YouTube.
Okay. So now I have written this is the parent class, and this is cat is the child class. I'm extending the parent class. So whatever the methods that are present in, whatever the methods or members that are present in parent class should be accessible when we create an object of child class. Okay, that is inheritance concept, right? So
Yeah.
now I have created a object d1 for the child object. Okay, d1 dot display info. What will be the output here? Have you everyone has written this program? Did everyone has written the program? Come on.
Yes, sir.
Yes, no. What is the output for this program, Ajay?
There is some error in my system, sir.
What about others? Go on mute. Ajay. What about others? Sunita garu?
My system is very slow, rather didn't open, just now open the IntelliJ.
Okay. Okay. What about Ram?
I'm writing it to my own.
To copy the
Copy.
program, how much time it will take, man?
Last month.
Okay. Let me run this program. What happens? So we are getting an error. Java duplicate class demo inheritance main, because demo dot inheritance is the package name. So we are using the same class, the same method in parent class and child class. So due to this, we are getting an error. So to overcome this one, we are gonna use override override concept in inheritance. Okay. So if the same method present in superclass and child class or subclass, then the method of the subclass overrides the method of superclass. This is known as method overriding. Okay, if the same method present in superclass and subclass, then the method that is present in both the classes needs to be overridden. So we use override concept to override the method present that is present in superclass. That is known as overriding. So we'll be using an annotation at the rate. So whenever we want to use an annotation, okay, this is the procedure that we need to use at the rate annotation. Okay, this is annotation, use of annotation. So we have an annotation for override. So at the rate override. So if you use this annotation here, for the method which we have written in the child class, that will override the method that is present on the parent class, and the result will be printed. I am a dot. So I'm going to use here override the rate override. Okay, main is already present, so I'm going to change to main 6. So now if I run this program, what will be the output? I'm a dog. So the method which is present on the parent class will be overridden by the child class method with the annotation at the override. So this is the override concept. Java method overriding. So there will be a question, what is the difference between overriding and overloading? What is the difference between overriding and overloading? Can you guys tell me what is the difference between overriding and overloading? Overloading is the concept where one method with different parameters, that is overloading, and overriding whatever the methods that are present in parent class and the child class. If the same method present in parent class and child class, if you want to override the method present in parent class, then we are going to use an annotation at the rate override to override this parent class method. Okay. If the same method is defined in both the superclass and subclass, then the method of the superclass overrides the method of the subclass. Method of the subclass overrides the method of superclass. This is known as method overriding. So you need to remember these two differences, overriding and overloading. Definitely we're gonna get a question in the interview. Okay, now I want to print both the methods. I want to print the method which is present in animal parent class and the method which is present in child class. How you are gonna do that one? If I want to print both the methods which are present in parent class and the child class.
Can give annotation in main method.
Okay. If I give annotation in main method, so you're going to print both the methods. Can you able to print both the methods? What is the override concept? So we're thinking in different way. So to overcome that one, to overcome this problem, if you want to print both the methods, we can access the method of the superclass after overriding. Can we access the question comes, can we access the overridden method? Can we access the method of the superclass after overriding? Can we access the method of the superclass after overriding? Yes or no? Yes, we can access the method of the superclass after overriding Okay, we use super keyword. Use super keyword. So if I go here and use the super keyword inside the method of super dot display info, then I can able to print both the methods. Okay, I can able to print. See, can you see this one display has been highlighted? So suppose if I comment it, display info is in gray color, that means that method is not being used by our class. This method has been not used. If it is in gray color, that means that this method has been not used. Okay, you can see here the warning. What is the warning here? What is the warning? Display info is never used. Line 5. Okay, so once I use the super dot display info, whatever the warning that I got before, it has been gone, because so this has been changed to black, right? So let me let me run this program. So see, have been printed both the methods. I'm an animal and I'm a dog. So super keyword is used to access the method of superclass after overriding. Super keyword is used to access the method of superclass after overriding. Have you understood?